Hello everyone, I am Deepali Bhosle and the today's topic is what is array list and linked list in a Java. What is difference between array list and linked list in a Java? What are the methods are used in an array list and linked list? Let's see in one by one in details. That is the let's see first what is the difference between array list and linked list. The first difference is an array list is internally use a dynamic array to store and the elements, and the linked list is the internally use the doubly linked list to store the elements. Then second point is the manipulation with the array list is the slow because it's internally use an array. If any elements is removed from the array, all the bits are shifted into the memory. And the manipulation with the linked list is faster than the array list because it uses a doubly linked list so that the no bit is shifting is required in an memory. Then third point is an array list class can act as a list only because it implements only the list, and the linked list class is acts as a list and the queue because both because it's implement the list and dequeue interface. Then the fourth point is an array list is the better for storing and accessing the data, and linked list is the better for manipulating the data. For example of an array list and linked list in a Java. If we having the class to the array link, that is the link string of al equals to new array list. It's having the string that is al to add the name of and Ravi al. Then next is the al to add the name of Vijay. Al dot add equals to Ravi. Al dot I is equal to the Ajay. Then in next list we can having the string al2 equals to the new string. Linked list is having creating a linked list which is add the name of James, then we add the name of Swati, then we add the name of Sheetal, then we add the name of an Priya. Then it's if we sys out the array list dot plus al, and the next is the sys out linked list with the al2, then the output will be the array list is the Ravi, Vijay, Ravi, Ajay, and the linked list is the James, Sheetal, Swati, and the Reena. This will be gives as an output of an array list and linked list in an Java. Let's see first what is array list and Java. Array list can use the dynamic array for storing the elements. It's like an array, but there is a no size limit. We can add and remove the elements anytime. So it is much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in a java.util package. It's like a vector in a C++, and the array list in a Java can have the duplicates elements. Also, it's implement the list interface, so we can use all the methods of an list interface here. The array list maintain the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implement the list interface. The important points of an array list: Java array list class can maintain the duplicates elements. The Java array list class maintain the insertion order. Java array list class is the non-synchronized methods are there. Java array list allows the random access because array works at an index base hierarchy of an array class. It shows an diagram where we can Java array list class extend the abstract list class which implement the list interface, and the list interface extend the collection and iterable interface in an hierarchical order. And in Java, in array list we having the constructor like array list, and it's used to build an empty array list. Array list, it is used to build an array list that is initiate with the elements of an collection. We having the method like void add integer int index, that is it's used to insert and specify element at the specified location. Boolean add, it is used to append and specify elements at the end of the list. And it's also having the eget method which having used to fetch the elements from an particular position. Then object clone, it is used to return the shallow copy of an exact copy of an array list. What is next method is an void sort. It is used to sort an elements of an list basis on the specific comparator. This is all about the array list and the linked list in a Java. Thank you.